Just a few days ago, my wife and I moved our oldest child, Anya, into her dorm at the University of Iowa in Iowa City. It was a mix of emotions, both a little nerve-wracking and incredibly exciting, to watch one of our 3 kids step out into the world on her own. But as we left, I couldn't help but think about all the opportunities that await her over the next few years, discovering new passions, forming lasting friendships, sharing her story, and writing new ones along the way. Similarly, we work with many businesses that reach a pivotal point in their journey where it's time to begin a new chapter, entering untapped markets, launching new services, expanding to new locations, or repositioning to attract different customer segments. Change is inevitable. Very few businesses remain the same for 10, 15, or even 20 years. Sometimes, even after just a couple of years, a fresh focus on your messaging and image can be the key to unlocking new growth and reaching new customers. Of course, the unknown always brings its share of fears and concerns. Do we have the right team and processes to move forward? Is our company vision still clear and compelling? Does our messaging and image truly reflect the work we do and the customers we aim to serve? But with change comes opportunity, an opportunity to redefine your brand, to connect with your audience in new and meaningful ways, and to set the stage for the future you envision. At Farmboy, we specialize in helping businesses like yours seize these opportunities through our strategic programs. Whether you're looking to revitalize your brand, develop targeted marketing campaigns, or create compelling content that resonates, my calendar is always open, and I'd love to chat with you about how we can work together to turn your vision into reality. Reach out today and let's start the conversation.